Welcome to your Bird's Eye View on Eagle Eye News, where we give you a look at what will be going on here at Clover High School throughout the week.
Upcoming days to note, our career assessments for juniors continue on the 29th and 30th, and a senior prom promise meeting is during homeroom. And spring break is from the 3rd to the 7th.
On Wednesday, Varsity Boys Golf has Blazer Invitation at Fort Jackson Golf Course at 10 a.m. Boys and Girls Varsity Track has a meeting at Fort Mill High School at 5. Girls Lacrosse plays at Spartanburg High School JV at 5:30 and Varsity at 7. Varsity Softball goes to Dorman for a game at 6. Varsity Baseball plays against Blythewood at 7.
On Thursday, FCA has a meeting in the Coral Building, and the pick of the week is JV and Varsity Baseball. Varsity Boys Tennis has a match at Fort Mill High School at 5, and Boys Soccer plays against Spring Valley with JV at 5:30 and Varsity at 7.
Girls Soccer has a game at Spring Valley High School with JV starting at 5:30 and later Varsity at 7. Varsity Softball plays against Spring Valley at 7:30. There is an indoor drumline community performance in the CHS main gym at 7.
On Friday, Girls Lacrosse has a game against Providence Day with JV at 5:30 and Varsity at 7. Varsity Baseball has a game at Blythewood starting at 6:30, and indoor drumline is from 6 to 9.
On Saturday, Winter Guard has CWEA Championships at Winthrop at 10 a.m. and JV Softball has a tournament at Burns High School at 10 a.m.
There's a choral field trip on Wednesday from 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. On Thursday, ROTC and FCCLA have field trips until April 2nd. On Friday, JAG class has a field trip from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. and Spanish class is leaving at 9:15 a.m. and arriving back at 3:45 p.m.
With that said, thank you for flying with us for your Bird's Eye View, and we will see you after spring break.